Today I'm showing you RBTech latest installation with our IRONCLAD fence alarm system, protecting an ATV and motorcycle dealership against cutting, climbing and jumping on a fence. We have here almost 2,000 feet of fence line. Another proof of RBTech capability to protect commercial and industrial sites with a simple, easy and affordable system. This system was installed in just one day, connected to the local camera system, to video verification, and to protect against theft and vandalism. As you can see, no problem with privacy slats. Very clean installation.